So we've just finished being in Edinburgh doing a one-to-one, and we've come to our favourite little bar, which is over there, called the Portobello Beach Cafe, Restaurant and Bar. Well, we've already had a few gin and tonics, and when I say a few I mean two, but it's nice and relaxed. So it's been really interesting today. I love Edinburgh, it's a great city, and I love afterwards being in Portobello and then going on to Musselburgh, having a bit of a night out. It's lovely, but it's been really interesting today. Most people, when you do street photography, most people are a little bit worried about pointing the camera in front of somebody's face. I find it really quite straightforward and easy. And a lot of people sort of like hide it and sort of like get hold of the camera and sort of look away. The problem with doing that is if you get caught, you're in trouble really, because they just wonder why you're doing it. So I always am up front, I'm like a tourist, and I'll point my camera right in front of the face. So there's lots of other things as well, which today's brought up. One is stopping people as well. How do I stop people? And it's fairly straightforward for me. I just usually, there's a thing called mirror neurons, and what that means is if you wave at somebody, they'll wave back at you, and they'll think, well, why have I waved back at him because I don't know him? But what I tend to do is I always sort of like raise my eyebrows and look at them as if to say, hiya, how are you doing? And how they react to me, I can tell whether I can stop them or not, if that makes sense. And then from there, I look at their body language and work out how to pose them. And I always pose them where they feel very comfortable. And I think that's really important, not to push them out of the comfort zone. So I look at the body language, the simple things like where the hair's parted. Although the hair parting is one sort of thing as to see how you can pose somebody, the most important thing is what hip they stand on. So let's say for instance they stand on the left hip normally, then they won't know this, but if you come from the left hand side and sort of like start doing a portrait from the left hand side, they'll feel really comfortable. They won't know why, but they'll feel comfortable. If you come from the opposite side, you'll lose it, and they'll go, oh, what do you want me to do? So I've been teaching things like that today, so it's been quite interesting. It always works as well, that with the hip. So I think I'm waffling because I'm really tired and I've had a couple of gins. But it's been a lovely day. We've been in, Roxy's on her way out, we've been in typical Scotland as it were. Earlier on today it come down really heavy. And when I say really heavy, it were unbelievable. It were just sheets and sheets of rain. And then the next minute it's like t-shirts because it's so warm and really sunny. So it's a bit awkward when it's like that, but that's typical English British summer and typical Scottish British summer, seeing as we're in Edinburgh. But it's been a great day and I've really enjoyed it. So I will see you next time. But I just wanted to tell you about the hip and the, if that makes sense. Anyway, from now, see you later. Bye.
Davvero fare lo fate? Una